In this video I will show the solution for some question in our forum. You can find the question below. I'll show the link below this video. It's needed that some information is collected in some database. In our case it's energy, and we need to calculate difference between current row and previous row. I will not show the solution for the full task, but the some showcase, but some possible ways to solve the problem I will show in this video. And let's start. We create some history database and energy database and collect our tag energy, named column energy and database column energy. And we will show this collection in our history database table. We needed to create other table with energy difference. To do this, in the first script we create table. If not exist, we create table in the same database. In our case it's SQLite database, and create table with these columns: formatted data, energy diff. Formatted data is needed because our data is in history database collected in milliseconds epoch format. So this script will be started when we start our project on start. So when we run it, so we run to compile this project, and now we create database. We use database from our database table, databases library, and bind to our database and table name energy difference. Energy difference we created in our script one, energy difference, this table name. So at the end we've got two tables, energy and energy difference, or history 0 and energy difference. And now to fill up this table we should create run SQL query. First parameter is our database, energy database, and the second parameter is the SQL request, where we select our date, format this date by using this function, and our energy minus the previous row's energy value, and place it like energy different column from history's 0 table, where we collected our energy parameter, and place it in result name, result set. All these functions you can find in our user manual. Here database description and database library with function, how to use it you can find in our user manual, scripts, STL language, and embedded function, database library. So also run to compile this script and open our screen, and we bind this script to tag calculate when the value of this tag is 1, the script is executed, and bind this tag to the calculate button, push. So let's start our values. Example, let's enter other values. It's collected every minute, so maybe we would not able to get new value. And now let's calculate. And we've got values Here the time formatted and our values from this table and difference between the current row and previous row. In our case 30, 10, the difference 20. So 45 and 30, the difference 15, and so on. It's the end also how to work with databases and SQL you can find in our videos for database. Result sailed, and you can find this video. And I forgot to say that we should bind our result name that we've got by using this script result set name. We should bind to our database table. The name of our objects is database table. You can find the name of the object here, database table. That's all. If you have any questions, write in our forum or by email.